The Vinchef Nonstick Deep Frying Pan Sauté is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a German 3C Plus ceramic coating. This coating makes it super non-stick and easy to clean. Food slides right off, and scrubbing is a thing of the past. Plus, it's made without harmful chemicals like PFOA. You can trust that your cooking will be healthier and safer for your family. This Vinchef Nonstick Deep Frying Pan Sauté is also very versatile. It's a 12-inch pan with a 5.5 quart capacity. This size is perfect for frying, sautéing, and even some light stewing. The included lid helps to trap heat and moisture. This makes it ideal for cooking a variety of dishes. The pan also features a heat indicator. It changes color to let you know when the pan is at the right temperature for cooking. This helps prevent burning and ensures your food cooks evenly. Finally, the Vinchef Nonstick Deep Frying Pan Sauté is induction compatible. This means it will work on all types of stovetops, including induction. The bottom of the pan is designed to heat up quickly and evenly on induction surfaces. This pan offers great value and performance. While there's no specific ASIN or manual mentioned, the overall appearance suggests a well-made and practical piece of cookware. It's a reliable choice, even if it's not part of larger pots or sets. Care is simple with its non-stick surface. Pros: non-stick surface, deep frying pan, also a sauté pan, comes with a lid, large 12-inch size. Big 5.5 quarts capacity, German ceramic coating, advanced 3C Plus tech, has a heat indicator, works on induction, easy to clean, durable build. Cons: lightweight feel, may not feel heavy duty, center of pan domed up, oil runs to edges, not very large, not very deep, rubber on lid hard to clean, need to season before use, some altered reviews, handle assembly needed. Features: non-stick surface, deep frying pan, also a sauté pan, comes with a lid, large 12-inch size. Holds 5.5 quarts, German ceramic coating 3C Plus technology, heat indicator, induction ready. This Vinchef pan is a large 12-inch pan that can be used for deep frying and also for sautéing. It comes with a lid and can hold 5.5 quarts of food. The pan has a special non-stick coating made in Germany with 3C Plus technology, which helps food not stick. It also has a heat indicator to show when the pan is hot enough to cook. This pan can be used on all kinds of stoves, even induction ones. This Vinchef pan is a non-stick deep frying and sauté pan with a lid. It is 12 inches wide and has a 5.5 quart capacity. The pan has a German ceramic coating with 3C Plus technology and a heat indicator. It can be used on induction cooktops and is easy to clean. The pan is lightweight but might not feel very heavy duty. The center of the pan is a bit domed, which can cause oil to run to the edges. Some people might find it's not very big or deep. The rubber on the lid can be hard to clean, and you need to season the pan before using it. Some reviews online might have been changed, and you need to put the handle on yourself.